Every night, after the office emptied, Nora stayed late to catch up on paperwork. The building was old, its corridors echoing with the ghosts of decades past. One stormy evening, thunder rattled the windows as Nora noticed a dusty typewriter in the supply closet, a relic she'd never seen before. It sat alone, its keys gleaming in the flickering fluorescent light. Curiosity drew her closer. Suddenly, the typewriter clacked to life, hammering out words with frantic speed. Nora stepped back, heart pounding, as a message formed. "I am still here." She stared frozen as the carriage slid back and began again. "Let me out." The air grew icy. The lights buzzed and dimmed. Nora tried to run, but her feet wouldn't move. The typewriter's keys banged louder, faster, spelling her name over and over. "Nora, Nora, Nora." The final line appeared. "Trade places." A force yanked her forward. Cold metal pressed against her skin. She screamed, but the sound twisted into silence. When morning came, the janitor found the typewriter gleaming, a fresh sheet in place. Typed neatly, "Thank you, Nora. I'm free."